What is up, guys? Blind Bag Blender back with another card opening. This is the blaster box that I have promised you guys. It is a 2014 Cryptozoic Ender's Game blaster box. If you don't know what Ender's Game is, it is a critically acclaimed science fiction classic novel turned into a decent movie. And in this set, there are two extremely rare autograph cards, one of them being Harrison Ford, who you may know from playing Han Solo, and one of them is Asa Butterfield, who played Ender in this movie. So without further ado, let's get these guys open. And per box, on average, what I've seen is usually one Relic card and one auto. Alright, now in the first pack, I'm just going to kind of scan through the base here. Alright, that first pack was all base. And you could also pull randomly inserted inserts, such as like character profile cards and the Formic cards, which are the aliens in the movie, in the book. Alright, now in the second pack, I'm not going to read any of these out because I feel like that would extend the video way too long. And I really hope to get a dual Relic card, which would be two Relics. I have seen those online. Alright, more base. There's only 4 cards in that pack. Oh no, there's one stuck on the end right there. Alright, now in our next pack, more base. Now in our next pack, that noise that you guys hear in the background, that's just my air conditioner. Oh, there we go. That's our first insert. That's a Formic Wars insert. That's a First Invasion Mothership insert right there. Pretty nice. And I also have the Ender's Game binder. And that comes with a Relic card. I will do a video on that tomorrow and possibly later today. Alright, next pack, base. Now in our next pack, base. Oh, there's a Fly Molo character insert, pretty nice. Base. And another hot auto to look for in here is a Ben Kingsley autograph. That's another big one. So it's him, Harrison Ford, and Asa Butterfield is what you're looking for. The Harrison Ford card I've seen go to upwards of $2,000 on eBay. And Asa Butterfield's like $300 to $400. Base. I can't seem to find any of the Ben Kingsley cards anywhere online. I haven't really seen any of them. Base. Now in our next pack, we have base. Oh, I can already see the Formic Wars insert. We have a Formic Tunnels insert. Pretty nice. Then all that is base. In our next pack, we have base. I'm not entirely sure if one box comes with the entire base set. In my video that I make the binder, on, I'll show you if I get the whole base set in there. I think there's 69 cards in the set. Base, 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 base. So for a second, that was a character card. Base, 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 base. Alright. I think we're roughly halfway through the box. Base, 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 base. Yeah, I don't think I've gotten any duplicates yet with the base, which is good. Alright, in our next pack. Base, base. Oh, there we go. There's a Haley Steinfeld on-card auto. That's nice. That's actually one of the pretty good ones. I'm not gonna lie. That's a good card. It's a really good card. Base, base. Hopefully we can get like I believe it's probably possible to get 2 autos in a box. Now, while that is not likely, it can still happen. We're still waiting on that memorabilia card. That will most likely be in here. I've watched 3-pack openings of this set, and I think all but one had either 2 autos or like 2 memorabilia cards or 1 and 1. Base, 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 base. Alright, we are down to, I think, our final roughly maybe 8 packs. Hopefully there's a memorabilia card or another auto in here somewhere. Oh, I just saw it on the back. I don't know what it is yet, but we will find out. Nice, guys. There we go. There's a Petra Arcanian white shirt relic. That's also the character I got the auto of. There's only 2 cards in that pack. That is sweet. In our next pack, we have, let's see if we can get this open here. We've got base, base, base. That I know is a duplicate. The checklist is a duplicate. That sucks. But oh well. Come on. We're hoping for that second relic or that second auto. I think the dual auto cards are like 1 in 144. So we're probably not going to get one. Okay, that is all base right there. Whoops. Let's see what's in this next pack. Hopefully we get a couple more inserts. Base, 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 base. Last 3 packs of the 2014 Cryptozoic Ender's Game cards. Oh, come on. These packs are a little hard to open compared to like basketball and baseball packs. Just give me a moment. There we go. Base, base. Oh, there we go. There's a Julian. Okay, this is a Bean. Yep, this is a Bean character insert. I don't know why it has his like actual name on there. That's kind of weird. That's who I thought that was. I thought that was Bean. Base, 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 base. Now our last pack of 2014 Cryptozoic Ender's Game trading cards is... Let's see if we can get this open. There we go. Please, hoping for another auto or something. Base, 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 base. Just a quick little recap of the non-base cards we got. We got a Bean character card. We got a Petra Arcanian white shirt relic. We have a Haley Steinfeld on card auto. There is a Formic Tunnels insert. I don't believe there's any numbered cards in this set, by the way. We got a Flymolo insert. And a First Invasion Mothership insert. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Turn on the bell if you feel like it. Share it if you want to, even though no one does that. And in the near future, the next couple weeks, I will have 3 boxes on this channel. And either later today or early tomorrow, I'll release the video on the Ender's Game binder. And peace out.